Hello and welcome to the second part of the video tutorial about how to use the ARTICONF platform. In the first part we covered how to deploy the ARTICONF platform, and assuming that you watch the part 1 video tutorial, now it's time to start with the second part, is how to use the services of the TIC tool or the ARTICONF or what we previously deployed. If you didn't watch the first part, please go back and watch it in order to know how to deploy our platform. Okay, let's begin. In the first part, we stopped at the deployment. We click the deploy button and we stopped there. So here you can see that the deployment is finished at 11 minutes and 53 seconds mark, and you can see here that I have an alert message stating that the software is deployed with this ID. What you need to do here is to click OK. Another thing, you can see here that the plan button is not disabled. I left this intentionally to show you in the time that comes in this video. So as I mentioned, good practice is to download the IDs. So clicking this button, it will download the previously obtained IDs. I'm gonna click this, and this will download an HTML file stating my ARTICONF IDs. Because I did this previously, it's marked with number 3. Okay, clicking this. Okay, now you can see here I'm missing the plant TOS topology template. As I mentioned, I did it intentionally. Okay, now we have the provision TOS topology template, assuming that we have the plant TOS topology template and the deployment ID here. Now moving on, we go to the find deployed topology template. Here you can see I have 4 icons. If you miss this, you click find deployed topology and you will have this. So I left the plan ID intentionally unfilled. So I just for instruction for presentation purposes, I will enter a random number here, assuming that this previously obtained plan ID, and I'm gonna set the plan ID. And now you see that I have here what I entered there, assuming it's a real plan ID, and you can just enter what you stored previously on the platform. So let's continue with the second part of the video. The point of this tutorial is how to use this for services. Here we have the Hyperledger Explorer, the Portainer, the Docker Sound Visualizer, and the Token Bank. How to use these services? You have instruction here. I'm gonna click the Show Instruction button. First thing you need to do is go to the Portainer. Let me just go to the Portainer. Okay, so here in the instruction it says to create an admin account. Let's do this. We have an admin and we create a password, confirm the password, and create the user. Okay, we done that, and we continue to the instruction. In the second part it says to click the agent, connect to the Portainer agent tab. We click this, we insert agent name to be agent, and the endpoint URL to be task something. Okay, we enter this and we click, it says click connect. We click connect. You can see we have an agent here. Okay, and now after we're done with this, clicking the agent, you will see information about this agent. We have 24 containers, 45 volumes, 22 services, 21 images, and 12 networks. Okay, done that. We can see it in the Docker Swarm visualizer. Okay, we can check that out. Okay, Portainer agent, you can see it here. After we've done that, click the Hyperledger Explorer. Here I'm logged in. If you are not logged in, you just go, my browser saved it previously. You go, you enter admin for the username and admin pw for the password. Okay. Here you can notice we have 3 blocks. Okay. Let's go to the sample application. That's the token bank. The token bank is created in order to interact with the TIC tool or the blockchain technology. We click the token bank. Okay. You see 3 blocks, 3 transactions. First thing you need to do is register. I'm going to register my name, let's say Mirsad S, and enter some password. Okay, let's change this to Mirsad 2 and enter password to be Mirsad 1 2 3. Register. Okay, it says that we have registered. Okay, and we say Mirsad 2. We enter the password, I think. Okay, so this is the demo application. Let's check what's my balance. So initially every user we have 100 tokens, so that's great. And let's transfer something to demo 1. Let's say I want to transfer 50 tokens to demo 1. Transfer. Okay, let's wait. Great, the transfer is the transaction is successful. Okay, great. And go back to the Portainer. In the Portainer you can in the Hyperledger you can see now we have 5 blocks and 5 transactions. Let's see what happened. Click here in the rights, expand the 0, expand the sets, expand the 0 again, and we see that on the user demo 1 we have balance 1015 with type credit friendly help. Okay, and if we expand the 1 we see that we have a key Mirsad2 with value the ID is Mirsad2 and the balance now is 85 and type debit friendly. It says that it stores something that happened, a transaction that happened. Okay, let's try this again. Let's now transfer from demo 2 to my account, and let's say I want to transfer 25. Let's say I want to pay back a loan that I had. I click transfer. Okay, great, transaction was successful. We go back to the Hyperledger, we click the dashboard, and we see now we have 6 blocks, 6 transactions. We go to the transaction. Okay, I'm sorry, to the blocks, and we click here. We expand it now, the 0, expand the set, expand the 0 again. You can see that now from I'm sorry, you expand the rights, expand the 0, expand the sets, expand the 0 again, and you see now the demo 2 we have a key of demo 2 and the transaction now we have balance of 75. A debit, I have a payback loan. Okay, and if I expand the 1 we have now we see that Mirsad2 with ID of Mirsad2 we have balance 110 with type credit payback loan. Okay, and this is how you interact basically with TIC tool. Okay, and I end this tutorial here, and hopefully in the part 3 I will cover the smart and TIC. Now this is under development. Soon we will finish with the development of these two tools and hopefully integrate everything. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.